Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to order things under $10 on Temu. So let's get into the video. So open up your Temu and log into your account if you have an account. So if you're looking to make your purchase for things under $10, so what you can do, you can simply search for the things. For example, let's say I'm going to look for bags, so I'll just type in whatever item that you are looking for. Just type that in, and then here it will show you the results. But if you are looking for things under $10, then what you can do, there is an option called filter here. Simply select the filter, and then when you click on the filter, scroll down and you will see an option called price. Okay, so there's an option called price. Select price, and then here what you're going to do, you're going to simply put in your minimum amount, which you can put as 1, and then your maximum amount is 10, because we are looking for things under $10, so maximum is 10. And once that's done, then just update it, show, and then now this is going to show you only those items that are under $10. So now you can simply select the one that you like, and then hit on add to cart, and then pay for it and complete the order. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful to you all. I'll see you in another video. Thank you.